Hey, what do you say, my fellow weekend warriors? Today we're smoking a bone-in turkey breast, about 7.5 pounds. We're doing it in the Pit Boss vertical pellet smoker. We're gonna be making some sandwiches out of this. And I've got the smoker set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And at this temperature, you're not gonna get a lot of smoke. So what I've done is I've put in a pellet tube, filled it up with some of the competition blend pellets, lit it on fire to get some smoke going, put it in the pit. So that's gonna help with some added smoke flavor, and we're still gonna get to smoke the turkey and get crispy skin. So we got a lot to do, let's get started. Here's our 7.5 pound bone-in turkey breast. This is gonna feed a lot of people. And before I can put it in the smoker, I'm gonna put together a little bit of a rub, which is just gonna be salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And what I like to do on my turkeys is use some mayonnaise. This is Duke's, but you could use whatever kind you have, or you don't have to use mayonnaise. You could just use some kind of a cooking oil or spray. This is gonna act as a binder, and I also think it gives good flavor and gives that turkey skin a real nice bite through. So I've got about 2 tablespoons of mayo in there. And now I'm just gonna eyeball this. This is black pepper, coarse grind. I'm gonna go about 1.5 tablespoons. I like a lot of pepper. About 1 teaspoon of salt, and about 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. And then you just wanna mix it up, get it all nice and incorporated. And it's gonna look like that. And so now we're just gonna use our hands. We're gonna rub it all over this turkey, under the skin, get it everywhere we can. And that's gonna go like this. And it sticks really, really good. That's why I love using it. Get this side. Wherever you can get under the skin without tearing it, you want to do that as well. Get down in all the crevices. And there we go, that's looking good. So let me get my hands washed real quick. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna make a real simple injection. This is just turkey broth. Pour in about 1 cup. And for some extra seasoning, I'm gonna put in this wing dust. This is Nashville Hot Chicken by Cosmos Q. Just a little bit to kick it up a notch. Maybe about 1 tablespoon. Give that all a mix. And now I'm just using one of those little cheap injectors. Fill this guy up. And now we're just gonna start down here in the corner. We're gonna poke in and start to inject it. You'll pump it up, kind of move it back and forth. And we'll just keep going through. These turkeys already have an injection in them, but it's been defrosting for a couple days, and I know a lot of that came out. So we're just gonna put a little bit of our own in there, make it spicy. You could add some melted butter in here, but I'm just keeping it simple today. We're gonna plump this bird up. You're gonna have some that comes out, don't worry about it. Just gonna make sure we have a really tender bird. And that's it. I'm gonna go over to this side, do the other breast. And once you get it all injected, I like to just come back and touch up my rub a little bit. So we're gonna add just a little bit more pepper back to it. And now I'm gonna put this in a pan and get it in the smoker. And here's a little trick. I'll just take some foil balls, put them down on both sides to keep this upright. And now we can still collect all the juices down there, keep this upright, get a nice looking skin. And now let's get it in there. Pop this door open real quick. You can see our pellet tubes going down there. I got water in the pan. Let's get that in just like that. Close up this door. And that's it. We're gonna let this cook until it hits about 165 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll probably pull it a little bit less than that. We'll get a little carryover to get us to that safe 165. And I'm gonna come back halfway through and spin that turkey so it cooks evenly on both sides. And when that happens, we'll come back and show you how it looks. All right, we just hit the 1 hour mark. This turkey's been cooking away. Let's get the door open. Oh yeah, look at that smoke rolling out of there. I don't know if you can see the tube, but that's almost gone through all the pellets already. So we're gonna spin this turkey. The back of the smoker is actually hotter than the front. And so one of the first turkeys I ever smoked, I burned the whole backside because I didn't know to spin it. So that's what I'm gonna do here. There we go. And now is the time I wanna start checking temperature. So I'm gonna put this probe into the breast here, get it down there, right into the thickest part. Let's close the door before we lose any more smoke. And we're looking at 100 degrees Fahrenheit on the internal, or 38 degrees Celsius. So that's at the 1 hour mark. We'll come back in another hour and see how it's doing. We just hit the 2 hour mark and we're at 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. Let's get this door open and see how it looks. Oh yeah. Now that is one fine looking bird right there. Beautiful color. Man, that looks good. I'm gonna rotate it one more time. And that skin is almost crispy already. So we're gonna get the door closed and we'll come back when it hits about 160. All right, we just hit the 2.5 hour mark and we also hit about 162 in the thickest part of the breast. Let's get this door open and give you one last look before we let it rest. Now, if that's not a good looking turkey, I don't know what is. Look at that. Beautiful color. Skin is perfect, just how we like it. It's gonna have a nice bite through. And what I'm gonna do is shut this off and let it rest in there for about 15-20 minutes. This way I don't have to get out any foil or anything like that. It can just sit in there and rest. Then we're gonna carve it up and make ourselves an awesome turkey sandwich. All right, our turkey's rested. I cooked it at 350 degrees in the Pit Boss pellet smoker. I put a pellet tube in there for extra smoke, and now we're ready to cut it up and make some sandwiches. Let's just get right into it and see how we did here. I'm gonna go with some thinner slices, because that's what's right for sandwiches. And look at the juice coming right out of there. That is one juicy bird. Wow. Beautiful. We gotta cut a big old pile of turkey here. I'm making a big sandwich. Nice smoke ring. Oh yeah. You can see here on this piece, that red, that's from our injection we put in there. Nice spicy injection. And it just pulls apart tender. I mean, that might be the juiciest bird I've ever cooked. Let me try a piece of that. Oh yeah, that is really good. Carve up a big pile here. So here's how we're gonna do this. Toasted piece of Italian white bread. I'm gonna slather it with some sriracha mayo. Spread that on. Big pile of turkey. Gotta have some bacon, so here's some thick cut bacon. Go like that. A few slices of tomato. And I've got some of that Boston lettuce. Love that on a sandwich. I will slather this side with some more mayo. Do that. A A little bit more on top. Another pile of turkey. Oh, a couple slices of bacon. I'm gonna go with 1 piece of deli American. A little bit more tomato. And a little bit more lettuce. Let's get that top bun on. Let's cut this guy in half. Oh my God. Look at that. Now that's a turkey sandwich. All right, let's get a bite before the wind blows it all away. Windy day. Here we go. This is awesome. That is the best turkey sandwich I've ever made. Juiciest turkey, nice and smoky. If you want to check out some other awesome smoked turkey videos, check out one of those two right there, and I'll see you over there.